Hi guys, this is Suraj. Welcome to Teach to Code. Today I'm gonna show you all an interesting tutorial on how to use data tables in PHP. And this table will be dynamic, and you can insert, delete every stuff that you need to have in a table. Okay, actually this is a plugin, and you can grab this plugin from the datatables.net, and it's a jQuery plugin, but you can easily integrate with that PHP. Okay, and here you can see the live demo of the plugin, and you can easily customize the plugin too. If you want to know more details about that, you can go over here, examples, manual reference, and here all bunch of tutorials over here, blog, there is forum. Okay, and we will need the three things essentially. One is this short Java jQuery script over here. Then you can use the CSS CDN, or you can use the JS, and you have to use the JS CDN. Okay, and if you don't want to use CDN, you can download this from here, and you can manually link. Okay, and you can see, you can live search if I okay, and it's automatically updating. Okay, next I will start coding over here. Before that, I will show you the demo, and here is the data table of mine. Okay, if I type Suraj, then just any address, then place and business, you can number. Okay, then if I click on insert, then it will be automatically inserting over here, and if I press delete, okay, then it will be automatically deleted. And this is the thing that we are going to see. Okay, then now let's start coding. Okay, and before that we have to create a database. I had already created a database over here. Okay, that is ERP. If you are not familiar with how to create a database, and you don't know how to create a column, then you can check over my previous tutorial. I had detailedly mentioned about how to create all those things, and in the columns I had created PID, PName, PAddress. You can give any column that you want, and I created a PID, that is auto increment value, and is essential if you are going for some delete stuff like that, because we want a constant value that is not changing constantly. Because if you are giving PName or PAddress or replace that, we are have to make changes, because name can be changed every time or whenever you want, and place also the same case, but the PID value is not we are going to messing with. So I will reference a value, that is PID, a primary key. Okay, so primary key is very essential for a database. Okay, I had created all those things, and then we will go to our code editor. Okay, before that you have to mention the header, and because we want to link to some CSS files and JS files that I already mentioned. Okay, I created a file called header.php, and I linked all the style sheet and all the jQuery or JS stuffs over here. So I don't want to totally mess my main index page, so I just created another file. It's always better to create an external file, and then you can include that in your PHP, and in this way we can minify our main page. So okay, and it's also very flexible. We can make changes over here in the header files, and as I mentioned earlier, we need a database table, data tables. Okay, I download that, and I link its style sheet, and also jQuery is essential, so I use a CDN database and a CDN link for that one too. And I will give this header.php for downloading, so that you can easily download this file, and you can easily link to that, include this file in your project. Okay, so these are the things. After this one, um, I created index.php, and in the includes folder I already created a DB connection over here. And if you are not familiar with how to create that, you can check my other tutorials too. Okay, and this is over. Okay, I got this one and this one too. Next I will start my coding over here. We will start from the HTML. Then I will head over here. Then in this title, data tables. Then I will include my header file and database that I created earlier. So I will use include, and it is located in my includes folder. Includes db.php, and then before that I have to open a PHP tile over here. PHP, then I have to close that one. Includes.php over here. Then I have to create another include, that is my header.php. okay, and that one is finished, and we have to start to design our form. Okay, for that I will create a body over here. Okay, and at last I will close that body, and in this section I will create a form action is equal to, I am posting in this file, so I am not giving any external path file. If you are one, you can give another file that consists of post scripting. Okay, and you can the method that will be post2. okay, and that is finished. And next I will give the name, and in that we want a text box. Input type is equal to text, and we have to give the name, and the name will be very essential. For that one I will give t_name. You can give any name that you want, but don't forget. And next I will give address address, and that one is also cannot be. I will copy this. Okay, and next will be name address, then give place, and that will be p_name, and here will be p_addr, and here will be place, and here will be p address, and here will be business, and p_business business, and I make a copy again and just put over here. And here I will give number. Okay, here p_number. Then I have to create a submit button. For that, input type is equal to submit. Then have to give its value is equal to insert, and name is also essential, so I will give name equal to insert to, and our form is over. Okay, and I will close my form over here. Sorry, the form over here, and okay, and these all are over. Next we will start to create our data table. For that, after this one, next I will create a table. For that I will PHP tag table id equal to data, and next class equal to display. Okay, then we have to mention the t head, and that will be, I open it here, and in that we have to give the column name, and I will close that one. Then I will make the copy. Okay, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, then I will replace this one as addr address. And here will be place, and in here will be business, 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 and here will be number. Okay, that's fine. And we have to give a hidden alignment for our delete button, so I just left it blank, th. Okay, then I will give a delete button, delete. Okay, that's fine. And next we will close our tr, and next we had already closed our t head. Okay, then we will open another t body. Okay, for that t body, and okay, we will do some PHP program for fetching all the data from our database. Before that, we will do a PHP program for inserting into the database. Okay, if you don't know about how to insert detailing into the database, you can check out my previous tutorial on inserting how into the database using PHP. Okay, and here we will use if the value is 8. Okay, then it will go to dollar is 8. Okay, is set dollar underscore post, then that will be insert. Okay, insert. Okay, that is correct. And in the insert we will open a braces, and there dollar name is equal to dollar underscore post. Okay, then we will give p underscore name. Okay, here we had declared a variable called name, and we just checking this out. That is a p name. That's our text field name, input text name, that is p name. Okay, and I'm not going to type all this thing, and I just grab copy over here, and here okay, here you can see I had created dollar name, that is post, p underscore name, and address, p underscore address, that you can find in the here my input box name, here p business. Okay, and you have to type, and I had stored that into a variable called different variable, and just and then I had used my SQLi query, and here is my connection string. Then I will use insert into SQL query for this one profile, that is my column table name, and here is the variable that I used p underscore name. This is the column name, p underscore name, p address. This is the column name in the database into values. Okay, and here we use this dollar name. Okay, that is here, dollar name, then dollar address. Okay, and what does it do is when it fetch the information that we are inputting into the box, and it is inserting, and the value is inserting into the database. Okay, and after that we had created a data ID. Okay, tr. Okay, fine. Tr. Okay, next we will do another check for a delete. Okay, before that I will start PHP. Okay, and I will create a form to display the and here will be the statement for the program for fetching the fetching values. Fetching values, and form action is equal to methods post. Okay, just leave to another, and we will open another form for deletion. For that I will open another tier here. Okay, then form action will be thing. Then the method will be, as usual, it will be post. Okay, it will be post, and then I will use td because I want to centralize my text that is grabbing from the database, so I give it center, and then I will open a PHP, and I have to echo the row. Okay, that is echo. Echo. Okay, before that I will start to using. Okay, if is it $_post, then I will give delete. Okay, that I will show you. That is my submit button name, delete, and I will open the curly brackets. Here I will okay, here is mysql underscore query. This is the program for fetching the details from the database. I had already thought about how to fetch the details from the data from the database, and here I use this one, mysql query, and here is the connection string. Then delete from profile, where PID is equal to, this one is to delete the record. Okay, a current column from the database. Delete from where PID is equal to $post. I already said that this is SQL query. Okay, PID is equal to $post hidden, and the PID value is that we are giving here. PID I will show you. Okay, and that value is hidden. I will show you the later. Okay, then result will be mysql and result from profile, while mysql fetch arrays. Okay, and that's fine. This statement is to fetch all the database and display in your table, and this one is for deletion. Okay, fine. And next we will do form action is equal to method post, and here we will do td is equal to sender php echo. Okay, and here you can see td sender php echo $row p name sender td sender php echo. Okay, I had first created a to display in the table, and here $row, and we will store all the resultant array in the variable called $row, and in the $row that will be p name, and that is the column name over there, p name, and it will display over there, and then it will loop and go to the next one, that is p address, and then p place and business, the column name over there, and then we will give input type is equal to hidden name, and this is for php echo $row pad, that will be, and that will be the thing that we use for delete the column, and then we will use in submit is equal to delete. Okay, and here's the thing, and I close this one. Okay, and that's it. And next we will use a jQuery that is needed to display the data table, so I will mention that after the PHP here. So I will open a script. Okay, then I will close the script, and in between here I will use this one dollar, okay, document dot ready function functi function, and I will delete this one. Okay, and I will delete this one, and here I will give dollar. We have to mention the ID of the table, that is data. Okay, that we had given here data, then we will use data table, then data table. Okay, that's fine. We will put a quotation mark over here, then okay, that's it. And you can find this piece of script in the data table's front page itself, home page itself. And I think our scripting is over, and if I save this one, okay, and I will open my browser, I don't address, and here is the table, and okay, and here is the table. And if you want to insert something, I will give manu, and address is I give something like this, place business, and the number I will give. Okay, if I click on insert, okay, that is inserted. And if I want to delete that one, I can do it over here. Okay, table deleted, and that's it. And you can, okay, I will show you. Business number, okay, inserted, and that is, that one is also inserted. If you want to search for that one, yeah, it's automatically updating the search. And if you want to delete this one, you can delete that. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching my tutorial. See you in the next class. Bye.